Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step how to insert a clean, professional table into your Mailchimp email, even if you have zero experience with coding or HTML. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create a table, customize it, and place it perfectly inside your campaign so your emails look more polished and easier to read. So let's jump right into it. The first thing you want to do is log into your Mailchimp account and open the campaign or template where you want the table to appear. Once you're inside the email editor, take a look over at the content panel on the right-hand side. This is where all the different content blocks live, things like text blocks, image blocks, buttons, dividers, and more. Now here's the important part. Since Mailchimp doesn't provide a normal table block, we're going to use something called a code block instead. Don't let the word code scare you. You do not need to know programming for this method. Scroll through the content blocks until you find the one labeled code. Once you see it, simply drag and drop that block into your email exactly where you want your table to show up. Maybe you want the table under a product description, inside a newsletter section, or above a call to action button. Wherever you place the code block is where your table will appear later. Now that the code block is ready, we need to actually create the table itself. Open a new browser tab and head over to a free table generator website like HTML Table Generator or html.io. These tools are super useful because they let you visually build a table without writing the code manually. Once you're on the site, start creating your table. Add the number of rows and columns you need. For example, if you're comparing 3 products, you might create 4 columns with 1 for features and 3 for products. Or if you're making a schedule, you can create rows for dates and columns for times or events. After setting up the structure, start filling in your information directly inside the table generator. Add headings, product names, prices, descriptions, or anything else you want your audience to see. Most generators also allow you to customize colors, borders, alignment, spacing, and font styles so your table matches your brand design. Take a few moments here to make the table look nice and easy to read. One helpful tip is to avoid overcrowding the table with too much information. Simpler tables usually look much cleaner inside email layouts, especially on mobile devices. Once you're happy with the design, look for the option that says Generate HTML or Copy Code. Click that button and copy the HTML table code provided by the generator. Now head back over to Mailchimp and click inside the code block you added earlier. You'll see a blank area where you can paste code. Simply paste the HTML table code directly into that section. At first, the code might look a little intimidating with all the brackets and symbols, but don't worry. Mailchimp automatically converts that code into a visual table when the email is rendered. After pasting the code, save your changes and use Mailchimp's preview mode to see how the table looks inside your email. This step is really important because tables can sometimes appear differently depending on screen size or email apps. If the table looks too wide, too cramped, or slightly off-center, you can go back and make small adjustments either in the HTML generator or directly in the code itself. Even tiny changes like adjusting padding or border size can make a huge difference in how professional the final result looks. Another useful tip is to test your email on mobile view as well. A table that looks perfect on desktop might feel crowded on a phone screen, so keeping your layout clean and simple is always the best approach. The great thing about this method is that once you do it once, it becomes incredibly easy to repeat in future campaigns. You can even save your HTML table templates and reuse them whenever needed. So to quickly recap, first open your Mailchimp email editor, then drag in a code block. Next, use an online HTML table generator to create your table visually. Copy the generated HTML code, paste it into the Mailchimp code block, and finally preview and adjust your table until everything looks perfect. And that's it. Now you know how to insert tables into Mailchimp emails without needing advanced technical skills. It's a simple trick, but it can make your campaigns look far more organized, professional, and engaging for your subscribers. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy Mailchimp tutorials and email marketing tips. And if you run into any problems while creating your table, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.